Good afternoon and welcome to the Moorhead-Outlet store. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a 2008 New Holland BR7090. Overall, this round baler is in very good condition with an estimated use of 5,000 bales. The baler is equipped with standard width hydraulic lift pickup with dual gauge wheels. The variable bale chamber produces 5x6 foot bales. And this belt-type baler is equipped with AutoWrap, electronic bale counter, bale kicker, hydraulic bale tensioner, and electronic double wrap. This BR7090 is powered by a 1000 RPM power takeoff. Thank you for viewing this New Holland BR7090. If you're interested in this round baler and would like more information, give us a call at 877-886-7010 or check out our website at TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store, guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.